Hello everyone, if you wanted to know how you can check your Snapchat recap on your phone, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to check your Snapchat recap on your phone easily. So first off, you're going to open up your Snapchat application, and once you're in your Snapchat, now you're going to click on your chat messages or your chats here, and when you click on that, you'll have Team Snapchat here. You're going to click on Team Snapchat, and when you click on Team Snapchat, you'll see that you'll have a text received from Team Snapchat about your Snap recap. So you're going to click on this Snap recap text, and when you click on it, you'll have your Snap recap available here. Now you can just check your Snap recap, and there you have it guys. That's how easy it was to check your Snap recap on your phone. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.